Hey everyone. Today I'm taking you inside one of the most iconic military vehicles of our time, the Humvee. This rugged beast first saw action in the Panama Invasion of 1989 and has since become a symbol of American military might. But what's it really like to be inside one during a war encounter? Let's dive in. Imagine it's the late 80s, tensions are high, and the US military decides it's time to deploy the newly introduced Humvee into the thick of battle. The setting is Panama, a country of dense jungles and challenging terrains, perfect for putting the Humvee's capabilities to the test. As soldiers, imagine the adrenaline rush, mixed with a dose of apprehension. You're sitting inside the Humvee, surrounded by nothing but metal, yet there's an eerie feeling of vulnerability. This isn't just any vehicle, it's your shield, your transport, and in many ways your temporary home on the battlefield. The first mission? Operation Just Cause. The goal was to capture a dictator and restore order. But for the Humvee and the soldiers inside, it was their trial by fire. Rolling through the streets, surrounded by chaos, the Humvee proved to be more than just transport. It was pivotal in navigating through hostile environments and safeguarding the lives of those inside. Soldiers recount how the Humvee maneuvered through barricades and returned fire, all while keeping them relatively safe from harm. It was a game changer. The feeling of relying on this vehicle, hearing the rounds ping against the armor, and yet pushing forward towards the objective, creates a bond. A trust between man and machine that only those who have experienced it can truly understand. The impact of these early encounters went beyond just tactical advantages. They shaped the confidence of the troops and altered military strategies. The Humvee wasn't just a vehicle, it became a lifeline, a bearer of soldiers' hopes and fears. As we wrap up, remember that each Humvee carries stories of bravery, fear, and survival. Stories that define not just the vehicle, but the spirit of those who rode in them. Thanks for joining me today as we took a closer look at these incredible machines and the brave souls who manned them. Stay tuned for more stories like this.